This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
So, did you like it?
It was fire! And that trick? It was totally awesome. And the funniest...
What's that?
Ah!
I'm just gonna check it real quick. Hey, what are you?
Sue, maybe you'd better not touch it? What if it bites? Told ya?
So how about we talk? Who are you? What happened?
It's me, Rumi. I tripped and fell right into a puddle. Help me!
Huh? It's Rumi? We gotta help her. Mission makeover in 3, 2, 1.
First, we gotta remove the leaves.
I'll do it. Tough task. But I've got a brilliant idea. Bet it'll work. Hold tight, Rumi. Did it work?
Not really, but I know you did your best. Rest a bit.
I thought it was a genius plan.
While Sammy is recharging, I'll try something else. You can't wait to know what's inside, right? Me too.
That's so... Huh? Are you unwrapping candy?
Not candy, but something just as interesting. Wow, look at all these treasures. We're gonna use them all.
Something as nice as candy? I wouldn't say so, but it's a close second.
Actually, we could use this hairdryer right away. I'll use it to remove all these pesky leaves. Way better. Now, it's time to get rid of these germs. Ugh, they do not look friendly. This one looks pretty sketchy. Just a few left, and we're done.
She'll need a headband to keep her hair out of the way.
Smart thinking, Sammy. And it's pretty too. So let's fight those nasty pimples. I'll put some lotion on your face, Rumi. On your forehead, too. I'll rub this lotion over your face and body. Avocado is great for moisturizing and protecting your skin. It looks smooth now. Works like magic. Use this lotion every day for glowing skin. Hey, what's going on? Looks like someone's helping us pick the right products.
Nothing's left. Keep going, Sue. We've got everything we need.
Good job, Sammy.
Can I have a makeover too?
Maybe later. We've got an urgent case here. This will freshen you up right away. Let's check out the result.
Woohoo! I can have a makeover of my own. Guess Sue shouldn't know.
You definitely need this lip mask for soft, hydrated lips. Patches under the eyes to deal with these dark circles. Just relax and enjoy the process. Time's up. Let's see. Whoa! You're glowing. To make the result stick, you need a sheet mask too. Wow, isn't it pretty? Here you go. Now we just need a face roller. Huh? Where is it?
Yep, a bit lower. Whoa, that's nice. Don't miss a patch. That hits different. You're a pro. Check it out. Do I look smoother now?
Sammy!
No, Sue! Ah!
Rumi needs this roller more.
But I think recently, I got a bit wrinkly. I'll find something else.
Good luck, Sammy. Because this roller helps good stuff get deeper into the skin. Just what Rumi needs. See? Instant glow up. But that's not all. I should spread the serum all over her face. So pretty! Now, I'll use this foam to remove the remains of the serum. We won't need them. This way your skin won't feel sticky or have clogged pores. Your face will feel clean and fresh. I'll just wash it off with water now. Now, what do we have here? Wow, look at these cool hair products. Guess it's time for a hair dye. Let's check out the color. I think this hue is just what you need. Gonna slay. I knew it. The color's amazing, and there's enough dye even for your long and thick hair. Okay, let's get down to work. We'll start at the top of the head and work our way down to the tips.
I've read we need to cover the hair for the dye to work better. Ow!
That's right, Sammy. Let's do it. I need to fix it somehow. Ah, I'll use this pretty hair clip. A few more, here, and here.
Sue, how about that roller? Ooh, this feels so nice. Wait, isn't it the time to wash off the dye?
Oh no! Ugh, I hope it's not too late. Wow, what a stunning color! Let's check the roots. Awesome! This shade really brings out your vibe. Now all that's left is makeup. Let's get started. I'm so excited.
Now comes the part I've been waiting for.
It's so fun. There's so much inside.
So, what are you waiting for?
Look at this. Amazing. Gotta check out what we've got. All the products are so stylish. Such cute packaging. Ugh, what do we start with? Hard to decide. I think we should start with contact lenses. They match your hair beautifully. They look so mysterious.
Holy cannoli, Sue! Look at this kitty! It's kind of both cute and scary. Do you need it now?
A bit later, I'm going to start with the eyelashes. Now, it's time for the eyebrows. This pencil will do the trick. Oh, it's perfect! Now the other one. Now we'll use your kitty, Sammy. It's actually face powder for a pretty face tone. Lovely! But honestly, your skin already looks great. Next up, blush. I'm going to put it on your cheekbones. Here we go!
This eyeshadow squish is fun and bouncy! Guys, any guesses for my eyeshadow pick? Right you are! Pink! Sue, we've picked the color! It's pink!
Actually, I think it's the best choice. It'll match Rumi's hair and outfit. Time for the cutest lip gloss ever. Oh, look how shiny it is. Rumi looks stunning. Some extra sparkle can level up her fit.
Guys, thank you so much. I love my new look. Skin, hair, and makeup. You're real pros.
And you were so nice to work with.
I knew Rumi had the skills to spot the real pros.
And this is how you prepare for the makeover. First, I'll cut out all the pieces we'll need. We'll use them later to make squishies. The last thing I want to do is rush this process. Every tiny detail has to be cut out precisely. Some are tricky to cut out, like these germs. Okay, friends, time to bring it all together. I fixed the sides together with tape. We need to stuff our future squishies with padding. Yep, every single item. Wrapping things up. I wish I could find a lipstick this cute. Now, almost finished here. One more thing. And it's packing time. This is a makeup bag. This bag is for hair products. Everything's inside. Now let's go through the skincare products. Everything's in place. Awesome. Love this bag. It has the Rumi vibe. Gotta fill it with the cool stuff making your skin glow. All set, guys. The bags are packed and sealed.
Thank you once again, Sue. Sammy, I love my new look.
What do you think, friends?
Like this video if Rumi's looks lit.
And subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Oh, nice flag. But aren't you worried it'll slow you down?
No chipmunk tracks, no traces of fur, no whiff of mischief. All clear, Bucky. Bring in the cup. It's a thing of beauty, isn't it?
Your best ever. But aren't you worried about leaving it here? Ellery could come and eat up all your hard work.
Oh, no, we're not going to leave it here. It's going there, in the middle of the pond, where everyone will be able to see it and keep an eye on it. It's the safest spot in the whole park. Onto the ice, Bucky.
Thorn, when will you learn? There is no place in this park that my chipmunk paws cannot reach, especially when there's fresh fruit involved. But how to get onto the ice without being seen?
It is my pleasure to welcome Prince Norbert and Princess Olivia to the Royal Ice Sailing Race. And now, if Prince Norbert will do the honor of starting the race by croak, as is the custom.
Remember, darling, just like we practiced, you don't want to frighten the ducklings.
Yes, my love. My croak shall be powerful but friendly.
Hold on, Your Highness. A racer is missing. Lilac, where's Daffodil?
I don't know.
Not sure how long I can hold this croak.
Sorry. Oh, I went to get us some pumpkin seed energy bars.
Oh, quickly, dear, into your boat.
Good luck, everyone.
On your marks, get set.
What are those rocks doing there? They weren't on my map.
Rose, watch where you're going.
I wish I could!
Woohoo! I'm gonna win!
This is the most exciting ice race ever.
And it's only just begun.
Zinnia, wrong way. Oh, now what's happening? Oh.
I don't know how to turn it around.
Daffodil, what are you doing? I'm making patterns on the ice. A flower? Oh, there's no time for flowers. Huh? Wait, why don't you make one big flower over there? Ooh, that sounds fun. Here I go.
This is almost too easy. Everyone's watching the race, which means no one's watching the fruit. I really am a lucky chipmunk.
Come on, Bucky. Don't dawdle.
Sorry, Chef Thorne. I don't want to miss the race.
We'll be back in plenty of time to see the winner. I just wanted to check on my fruit cup. Looking good. Not even a berry missing.
See? It's like there's an invisible fence around it and Ellery can't get inside. Now can we go?
That's genius. A fence. Let's see that chipmunk try to get through these thorny brambles. Come on, Bucky. We have a race to watch.
Thorn, must you take the fun out of everything?
Hi, Mr. Ellery. Who are you talking to?
No one. Not important. Run along.
But you said something about having fun. We like fun.
You love fun? Yeah.
Small ducks, I am in the middle of a very important job which involves getting through those thorny brambles and moving that fruit trophy into this hollow log to take it somewhere else. So I can't talk right now.
Mr. Ellery, wanna play catch? I wanna play. The final stretch, my darling. Who do you think is going to win?
It's anyone's race, my dearest. Rose and Moss are neck and neck. Zinnia is right behind them. And there's Daffodil way behind. It's thrilling.
Spearman, this rope is loose. Should I pull it?
Yes. No. I don't know which to choose.
It's okay. I'm gonna go for it. Definitely not my kind of ride.
Moss, you're losing your boss.
Rose, you're going to win!
Jeff, you got this! Wonderful! Yes!
The last piece. You and your brother and sister can run along now while I transport this log to... Empty? Where's all the fruit?
You said you had to move it, so we got some help. Well, Carson was throwing you the fruit, and you were throwing it into the log. Claudette and I were taking it back out and giving it to Mr. Thorne.
Don't look so shocked, Ellery. You might say, a little bird told me.
Daffodil, your joyful spirits taught us all a lesson today. The way to win at anything is to stay true to yourself. And have a good time doing it too.
Congratulations, Dad! Thank you, Prince Norbert. And thank you all. I had no idea how much fun it would be to compete in a race alongside my friends. And I get to win this amazing prize too.
And there's a surprise inside.
It's yummy frosty fruit ice cream. Everyone, have some. You all have to try it.